In this review video, we'll be taking a look at the Nectar Mattress. In fact, we'll be going over everything you need to know about the Nectar Mattress. So if that's something that interests you, then watching this short video is a must. I promise it'll be worth your time. But for the moment, I've put a special link for you, directly in the description box below, where you can claim your discount instantly. This way, when you click the link below for the Nectar Mattress, the discount will automatically be applied for you. Because you don't need to waste your hard-earned money by paying full price, right? So click the link below to learn more. But I digress. Now I'm sure you know the importance of a solid night's sleep. After all, it's essential for a long and healthy life. And a lot of the times, it could be your very bed that you're sleeping in that causes this poor sleeping dilemma. Nothing is more important than your health and well-being. Which is why I wanted to share this review with you, because it could very well be the turning point of your general and long-term well-being. So here's a Nectar Mattress summary. Nectar Sleep offers a memory foam mattress using better quality foam materials relative to its competitors at a much lower price. Don't be fooled into thinking the Nectar Mattress isn't of the same quality as some of the others, because it is. Some might argue that the Nectar is actually better, due to its exceptional value. It's also quite beneficial towards back pain sufferers, who use it to sleep pain-free every night. But it does have some cons, including the slight smell after unpacking the bed. It's advised that you leave it in a well-ventilated room for a few days for the smell to disappear completely. But, to be honest with you, the Nectar is hard to beat at this price, since it's an affordable bed built with quality materials. But when it comes to your preferred sleeping position, this mattress is ideal for all types of sleepers, and also comes with free shipping. The Nectar bed also delivers great pressure relief for shoulders, hips and chest. It contours perfectly for people who prefer to sleep on their sides. What's great is that you can test it for 365 days, so you have time to gauge if it's really the mattress for you. This is a super long trial period, compared to other brands. Click the top link below, to secure your Nectar Mattress discount and 2 bonus pillows, plus free shipping. Yep, no shipping costs. You'll also get a lifetime warranty. Click the link below for more details. The mattress also comes in a box, but the company offers optional white glove delivery. The layers of this mattress work very well together, and provide an excellent level of contour and resilience. This means that if you have a sleeping partner that tosses and turns all night, you won't easily wake each other up. This is also one of the best mattresses for back pain, due to its spinal alignment support. In fact, this is a viable solution to alleviate back pain fast. One of the best things about the Nectar Mattress is that it relieves pressure wherever you normally feel it the most. Nectar is firm enough to support you, but soft enough to be gentle where you're sensitive. Now for the verdict. Nectar uses better quality foam materials, relative to its competitors at a much lower price. It's also an amazing option for someone experiencing back pain, due to its spinal alignment support. Lots of people from all ages have defeated the back pain, thanks to the Nectar Mattress. Click the link below right now. For real social proof, and reviews from people just like you. They provide free shipping, warranty, plus a 365-day home trial. The mattress provides utmost comfort and superior pressure relief, so you can wake up feeling refreshed and energized every day. The materials used in this mattress are very durable, and the mattress is designed with superior quality foams. The Nectar bed also delivers great pressure relief for shoulders, hips and chest. It contours perfectly for people who prefer to sleep on the sides, but is perfect for all sleeping types. But in general, I think a lot of people overlook how they can save money. Which is what inspired me to create this video for you. Click the top link below, to secure your Nectar $125 off, plus 2 free pillows, along with free shipping. The best of the best, for a better price. Click the link below to learn more. Nothing is more important than your health and well-being. Thanks for watching our video. May you be blessed with a long life of good health and good sleep. For more information on the Nectar Mattress, click the link below. Make sure to leave a like, and subscribe for more videos. Take care, and have an amazing day.